Hi kids, today we are learning about the alphabet. A for avocado, B for banana, C for cherry, D for dates, E for elderberry, F for fig, G for grapes, H for huckleberry, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kiwi, L for lemon, M for melon, N for nectarine, O for orange, P for pear, Q for quince, R for raspberry, S for strawberry, T for tomato, U for UB, V for Vulavanga, W for watermelon, X for Ximenia, Y for yuzu, Z for zucchini. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel,
Twinkle Academy.